I'm Teacher Cyprus. This is PP1 Environmental, and our stand today is fruit to eat, and we are going to see some fruits that we eat every day. And the first one is orange, watermelon, pineapple, apple, banana, avocado, and mango. So before we continue with our lesson, I want you to teach you a song, and the song goes like this. Avocado, avocado, pineapple, pineapple, orange and banana, all are fruits, all are fruits. So Lana, let us sing together. Avocado, avocado, pineapple, pineapple, orange and banana, all are fruits, all are fruits. Thank you so much, Lana. So we are going to start with an orange, and we have an orange here. This is orange, and before we cut our orange, you must wash. We have said that before you eat your fruit, please wash before you eat it. So I'm going to wash it so that we can cut the orange. And make sure you wash it with a clean water. So we are going to cut it so that we can see whether it has seed inside. And if you don't know how to cut it, please tell your parent to cut for you, because you can cut yourself with their knife. So I have divided into four. So you can see inside. So an orange has seed inside. There are several seeds inside. So you can't eat the seed. When you are eating an orange, make sure that you remove the seeds. So this is what we call an orange. An orange tastes sweet. So we are going to the next fruit. The next fruit is watermelon. This is what we call watermelon. And watermelon, if you look at this side, it is green in color, and inside is red in color, and it has several seeds inside. And when you eat an watermelon, please don't eat the seeds. This is, Lana, we have said this is what we call watermelon. So we are going to the next one is pineapple. This is what we call pineapple. A pineapple looks like this, Lana. So this is what we call pineapple. So we are going to wash a pineapple. So after washing pineapple, so we are going to cut it. So after cutting that one, we are going to cut it into four. The first one and the second one. So we have cut it into 4. So we are going to see whether it has seed inside. As you see, it does not have seed. This one does not have seed inside. This is what we call pineapple. So we are going to the next fruit, what we call an apple. An apple. This is what we call an apple. And if you see, and the way you can see this pineapple, it is which color? Color red. And there are some pineapple there are some apple that are color green. So this is what we call an apple. So we are going to wash it, and we have said before you check whether your water is clean. Make sure you wash your apple before you eat, Lana. So we are going to cut it. As you see, does it have seed inside? Yes, it has seed inside. You can find maybe some has 4, some has 2. It depends. So this is what we will call an apple, Lanas. So we are going to the next fruit. The next fruit is banana. Lana, say banana. Thank you so much. This is what we call banana. So I'm going to show you what is banana is. This is what we call banana. This is a banana. A banana, how does banana taste? Thank you so much, learners. After learning, we are going to eat all these fruits, so don't worry, learner. The next fruit is avocado. Avocado. So this is what we call avocado. Sorry, learners, let me pick my knife. And you make sure also you wash your knife clean. So we are going to cut an avocado. As you see, an avocado has one seed inside. It has one seed inside. This is what we call an avocado. Avocado, not avocado. Avocado. Thank you so much, learners. The next one, we are going to look at mango. We have three types of mango. This is the small mango. We have another big mango. But today we are going to learn about these small mangoes. This small mango, so we are going to wash it. As you see, it is green inside, some are yellow, so it depends which one you want. So this is green in color. So we are going to cut it. As you see inside, this is white. Some some are yellow inside, and it has only one seed inside. So these are the fruits we eat. So we are going to read them again. So we have said an orange. This is orange, and we have said this is an orange. We have seen an orange. Watermelon. We have seen what is watermelon, and we have said it has seeds inside. This is pineapple, and we have cut on pineapple. It is white inside, and it does not have seed. We have apple. We have seen an apple. This is an apple, and we have said it has seed inside. Banana, avocado, and mango. All these fruits, they taste sweet, but some mangoes taste bitter. So thank you so much, learners. I hope you have enjoyed your lesson. Bye bye.